In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Instagram Follow Us to Unbounce website. By the end, you'll have a clear, clickable way for visitors to head straight to your Instagram profile and follow you. Start by opening the page you want to update in the Unbounce Builder. Make sure you're in the correct page variant and viewing the section where the Instagram Follow option should live. Think about visibility here. Placing it near your hero section or close to your primary call to action often gets the best results, while a footer placement is a quieter, always there option. Next, add either a button or a text link, depending on your design goals. A button stands out and works well when you want to actively encourage follows. Label it with something clear like, "Follow us on Instagram." A text link is subtler and blends into copy, ideal if you want to keep things minimal. Whichever you choose, style it to match your brand. Adjust colors, fonts, and spacing so it looks intentional. If you're using a button, give it enough padding so it's easy to tap on mobile. With the element selected, set its destination URL to your Instagram profile. The format is simple. https www.instagram.com. Your username. Replace your username with your actual Instagram handle. Copy it exactly as it appears on Instagram to avoid broken links. If your builder gives you the option, set the link to open in a new tab so visitors don't fully leave your landing page. Keep the link clean and avoid adding any personal or sensitive information. Only your public profile handle belongs here. If you'd like to measure performance, you can append UTM parameters to the URL so you can see Instagram traffic coming from this page in your analytics. For example, add a source and medium so reports are clear. Just keep it tidy and readable. As you place the button or link, consider user experience. On mobile, larger tap targets and generous spacing help prevent accidental clicks. Use descriptive text for accessibility so screen readers convey exactly where the link goes. A short line nearby like, "Follow us on Instagram for updates and behind-the-scenes content," can also explain the value and increase clicks. That's it. When visitors click your button or link, they'll land on your Instagram profile, where they can tap follow. To recap, open your Unbounce page in the builder, add a button or text link in a visible spot, set the URL to your Instagram profile, and your audience will have a simple path to connect with you on Instagram.